The Galaxy Z5 is official here, and it brings some much-needed upgrades to the table. We are going to comparing everything views side by side to Flip 4 from last year. So it's time to see if the upgrade is actually worth it, or is it just hype. The Galaxy Z Flip 5, I have to say the biggest difference maker compared to any of the Z Flip phone in the past has to be with the new outer screen. This is now a fully functional, comfortable, large outer screen display, which is about 3.4 inches. It has this unique folder kind of look going on, which makes it kind of stand out compared to other large outer screen flip phones in the market. To utilize the new large screen to its full potential, Samsung has implemented some brand new widgets. There is a lot to choose from. With the support for third-party widgets, you also be open certain supported application on it, which includes some third-party apps. And of course, my favorite, which is the brand new camera. Why optical-wise for this big outer screen? This is going to be the biggest difference compared to Z Flip 4, because people always had a tough time navigating with the camera UI that Samsung had for the older, smaller outer screen of the Flip 4. So now it's a lot comfortable. You can change the resolution along with the aspect ratio, which was such a pain of the Flip 4. So this gonna be a big difference maker when using the cameras using the outer screen. Other than that, you can see the horizontal camera look is back. Although these camera are the same as the Z Flip 4, we still see some slight improves at camera quality thanks to the upgrade camera ISP with the Snapbrigade AJ2 chip. As for the big brand display, it still is 7-inch 120 Hz refresh rate display without better durability thanks to Gorilla Glass 2 implementation. A lot of people expected slabber bezels on the main screen, but it's pretty much same with both phones, like you can't really tell the difference side by side. There is a new water Droplet Hedge of the Flip 5 that allow it to be completely shut close compared to Flip 4, making it a bit more pocketable and slightly slimmer, but it's really not a big change. The main thing that I wanted to see was a difference increase, which is still pretty much on the same level, just slightly improved. We still have the same battery size along with the same charging standard. With that being said, Samsung promised a battery improvement thanks to the Snapbrigade Agent 2 for Galaxy chip. As for the price, the Z Flip 5 costs the same as the Z Flip 4 from last year. If you pre-order, Samsung is going to upgrade the storage to 512 gigs for free. So as usual, there are some pre-ordered goodies at traded deals. So with all of this in mind, the Flip 5 for me personally, after experiencing this outer screen, it's actually a worthy upgrade, because it makes the experience so much better than what we had on the Flip 4. Unlike Fall 5, Samsung has actually put some effort on making the Flip 5 somewhat of the worthy upgrade. But if you comfortable with the outer screen of Flip 4, then it's still pretty good flip phone even in 2023. You really can't go wrong with both of them. But my choice will be the Z Flip 5, of course. These are my hands-on thought. I will be doing a full review very soon. Let me know your thoughts about in this comments below and subscribe for more videos.